Vaginal lubricants are the simplest solution to vaginal dryness, but not all lubricants are created the same. There are some lubricants that are really more water-based than anything, and they dissipate quickly, as opposed to silicone lubricants, which tend to last a little bit longer. How do you know the difference? That's really easy. Take the actual lubricant. If you rub it in between your fingers and pretty soon you have nothing in between them, that means it's a little bit too thin. It's probably not going to last too long. Not only that, it's not going to even help you with your problem. But a lubricant that you rub in between your fingers and it feels thicker and smoother, those are the types of lubricants that you want to get. Vaginal lubricants are very easy to use. I would want you to take an old applicator, if you have one, fill it up with the lubricant and pop it into the vagina. Also remember, you can use some of the lubricant on the shaft of the penis as well, so that it can make it very easy for you to have intercourse.